First of all, hey, what's up? If you're just finding my channel. Oh, I have to sneeze. Okay, I think we're good. If you're just finding my channel for the first time, what's up? This is probably not the best video to start off watching, but if you are, hey, so happy to have you here. I'm like the worst person. I'm so mad at myself. I'm so mad at myself. So, just got home. Like, literally, I need to put my groceries up. I just got home from the store. Technically just got home from Fredericksburg, so I know what you're thinking. Ooh, Fredericksburg vlog, yes. Wrong. I go to get my camera out like on the way to start the vlog, and there was no memory card in my camera. Amateur. So my memory SD card was in my computer from editing a video, and I did not get to film any of it on my camera. I'm pretty mad at myself. It is so bright. But I just got home. I went to Trader Joe's on the way home. I am so worn out, you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna put my groceries away. It is freaking bright in here. Yeah, I'm gonna put these groceries away really quick. But here is the footage that I did take from Fredericksburg. I took some clips on my phone, and I will put them in the video right now. So I try to stay composed. I just wanna hold you close. Baby, tell me, are you trying to leave? Sometimes I wish you never told me that you love me, 'cause I feel like I got too much to lose. You tell me, baby, that's an excuse, and I wish I believed that that was true. But I can't afford another heartbreak. I can't afford another.
With champagne, orange juice, vodka, good stuff to mix with their coffee, Advil for your hangover, gold thingies for your puppy eyes, and for your puppy face, and middle of the afternoon energy bar.
Wine bottle straw.
Your secrets go cold when only God knows them. Waiting for your heart to give eviction notice. Yeah, give me time, give me space, let me breathe. Yeah, seem like I'm trying to pick between you and my dreams. Yeah, these thoughts so scary, baby.
Makeup by Nordstrom, but not really. I actually got it from Bobby Brown's from Nordstrom.
That's Nordstrom.
But it's from Bobby Brown.
Just the foundation.
You can see, but you can't touch.
You told me
Is Cody bored without it?
no. This is not hot. Feel. I'm
No,
serious.
pretty good. My crust to you. I think it's off.
Look.
You have a. I missed this is.
Your heartache. I can't afford another heartbreak. I know I said I'd never break your heart, but you can't have a fire with no spark. Feel like I'm out here shooting in the dark, and I don't know where I'm supposed to start. You said never leave, baby, and you know you driving me crazy. I try, but I'ma need saving. It took a beautiful lady to show me how ugly I can get. Sinking to the bottom, but that's when I learned to swim. We got problems, but we never let them win. I want my day to begin and end with you. And I know you deserve better, 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 and I know you deserve.
Hello everyone. We are sitting here about to work out. We work out big yawns.
I am worn out.
We do Camp Gladiator for those of you who don't know. We work out with Camp Gladiator. That is what we're doing. Our workout is in 9 minutes, so we're about to work it out, girl.
Yep, it's strength and agility week, so I think it's heavy weights.
So we're about to grab our weights. I usually use like 10 or 15s.
I usually brought the 30s, but that got, because I was doing workouts at lunchtime, and it got to where it was too much, so I dropped down for Camp Gladiator workouts.
Yeah, they get rough. It's like a HIIT class. It's outside. They used to do it inside, and our location was in a daycare, but because of COVID we couldn't go in there anymore. But it's like pretty weather now. It's 80 degrees out, but I need to clock it in so we can get going.
Yippers.
See how many check-ins I have. I've been a part of CANT Gladiator now for almost 2 years, and I just made my 222nd check-in. Whoop whoop.
Shoot, yeah, babe.
So yeah.
I would say I've done it, what, for the past year and a half with you and your mom?
Well, when COVID first hit, it was just virtual, so we were doing everything at home. And so you didn't really have to have a membership to do it, but now that it's back outside, you just started coming with me. So.
Yeah. Which I enjoy it. I like these workouts.
Yeah.
It's more high intense, like cardio. That's what I need. Because I'm used to doing the Beachbody Lift 4 workouts, and it's mostly lifting. So I like the other aspect of coming out here and like also getting your cardio in.
That is right. We're waiting for my parents. They work out with us. Also, I call my mom like...
They usually get... I'm surprised because they usually get here before us. Dude
almost hit us. We always have that issue of people almost hitting us. Yeah, for real.
I just had a mini meltdown, but it's okay.
Are you good now?
I'm good. I need to...
I had to call my mom like... Look at that bee. I called my mom right when we were leaving, and she was just getting dressed. So they're probably going to be a little
They probably had a lot to do today with work, so they're running behind.
I don't know. I haven't talked to her other than that. Hello, you guys. We just filmed like 3 minutes of a clip and realized literally that we had the music in the car playing, which you can't have. So it might be in this video, it might not. If it's not in this video, then hey, it's Monday night, got off work. Since we didn't film a lot this weekend.
It is a Monday.
Since I didn't film a lot this weekend, I figured I would just enter a little clip of us going to work out. We do CANT Gladiator, and so it starts in 6 minutes, and we're here waiting for my parents. I just don't want to go out yet. So that's what we're doing.
Sounds good tonight.
I'm gonna make those turkey meat pesto bowls.
Yeah, those are good.
With vegetables
veggies.
and brown rice.
Sounds good.
Why am I mad?
It is a Monday. That's the second time you spilled that.
I'm a freaking
within
mess.
an hour period.
It really has been a Monday.
It has like things that you wouldn't think would go wrong at work today went wrong.
For you?
For me.
For you.
Yeah, like just it was a system-wide outage at work, and everything pretty much crashed. Luckily that he got it on pretty quickly, but still. That's good. It just felt like a Monday.
It did feel like a Monday, and since I had a long weekend, since I didn't work Friday, coming in, I felt like I was off work for like a week. I was like,
Even though I worked off Friday, I feel like I was off Friday with you.
Well, it's because you went home to your
It's because I went home early.
Which you didn't need to do because it didn't even rain when you got there. It started raining.
No, it did storm, but it wasn't as bad as it obviously wasn't as bad as they thought it would be.
I told you, this is Cody.
But
I wanted to tell my story.
I wanted to beat the traffic though.
This is Cody. Lauren, the weather is really, really bad. Like I wanted to go to my parents' house, so I'm gonna leave at 11 a.m. And then I look at the weather that morning. I'm like, it's not even gonna rain till 4. Nope, I don't believe it. Like I'm going home. It doesn't even like rain.
It did rain though when I got home. I don't know about Garland, but there were storms that moved through there, and there were tornadoes that touched down in North Texas. So
okay, we got 4 minutes, so we probably should go. Parents are just running behind.
They just got here, so.
Oh, no, there it is. All right, we just got home from working out. And some veggies in the air fryer. So that is what I'm gonna be cooking. And it's just quick and easy and super healthy. So something we like to do. And it's not that expensive. I get the basil pesto from Costco. And that baby lasts me like a couple months. Chop up some veggies to put in our air fryer. You don't have to cook in an air fryer, it's just easier. So first I'm gonna do some zucchini with a knife, obviously. Get the big knife going. We're gonna do some carrots. These are the carrot sticks. Sprinkle a little garlic salt. About 10 minutes. Alright, I'm adding in the pesto. Alright, I didn't film this part, but I chopped up some asparagus and some red bell pepper, and then I'm just going to add a little bit more garlic salt because we like the garlic salt around here. Give her a shake.
Looks good, baby.
We're at 375 and we're gonna do a little more than 10 minutes. Getting you a sparkling water?
I'm gonna crack open the sparkling water with you.
Crack her open. I know that you like garlic and salsa and stuff.
Yep.
So.
Absolutely. Yeah, put rice in there.
Yep, rice on the bottom. Turkey meat, and then all the veggies, and I put some cheese already.
Good deal. Yeah, that looks good.
Bone apple teeth.
Bone apple.